Hello everyone, Groww AMC has launched a new fund. Let's look for some details. Name of the fund is Groww Nifty and New Age Automotive ETF. This scheme is of thematic category. Scheme is going to open for subscription on the 22nd of July, closing on the 2nd of August. Units will be allotted on the 19th of August. Minimum investment required is 500 rupees. It is an open-ended scheme having two option: growth and income distribution cum capital withdrawal. IDCW, no charges on withdrawal of funds. Benchmark of the scheme is Nifty India Manufacturing Total Return Index. This fund is for the investors having high risk-taking capacity. Investment strategy. The scheme seeks to generate long-term capital growth by investing in securities of the Nifty and New Age Automotive Index in the same proportion, weightage, with an aim to provide returns before expenses that track the total return of Nifty and New Age Automotive Index, subject to tracking errors. The scheme will be managed by Abhishek Jain. The scheme will reopen for subscription, redemption within 5 business days from the date of allotment. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.